Start by applying foundation all over your face. And don't forget your neck. Next, apply concealer onto the area you need more coverage. So for me, it's my under eye area, nose bridge, and chin. And use the same sponge to blend the products in. Then apply loose powder with a sponge onto the area that tends to crease. So for me, it's my under eye area and smile line. And after 3 minutes, use a fluffy brush to feather the product all over the face and neck. Today, I'm wearing Midnight Sheer Color Contact Lens from Pink Icon. Time for the brows. Start off by outlining the frame of your eyebrows. Then do a tiny strokes to fill in the brows. And use the spoolie brush to blend any harsh lines. Next, apply brow gel to set your eyebrows in place. Moving on to the eyes, start off by applying cream highlighter all over your lid. Then apply orange eyeshadow all over your lid. And connect it to the lower lash line. Next, apply dark orange color inside your crease and bring it up just above your crease line. Next, apply liquid shimmer with your finger onto the center of your lid, like so. Then apply the same product with a pencil brush in a tapping motion onto the lower lash line. And with an applicator, apply it onto the inner corners of your eyes. Next, apply light purple chrome color onto the inner corners of your eyes and blend it to the inner corners of your crease. Then apply turquoise liquid lipstick with an eyeliner brush onto the inner corners of your upper lash line. And also onto the outer corners of your eyes and wing it out. Next, apply purple liquid lipstick with the same brush onto the outer parts of your winged line. After you curl your lashes, apply mascara onto the upper and lower lashes. And if you want, apply false lashes as well. Moving on to the face, apply bronzer onto the side of your face in a 3-shaped motion to warm up your face. As for the nose, apply the same color onto each side of your nose bridge and bring it down under the tip of your nose. Next, apply tangerine blush onto the center of your cheeks and feather it out to the side of your face like so. Then apply pinkish coral color onto the apples of your cheeks. To brighten up your face, apply cream highlighter onto your cheekbones and connect it to your brow bone. And also at the tip of your nose and your nose bridge. And also at the center of your chin. Moving on to the lips, apply light coral lip color onto the center of your lips. And press your lips together to blend the products in. And use your finger to feather it towards your lip line. Then apply brownish nude lip liner onto the outer corners of your lips to create a gradient effect. And also at the center of your lip lines. And use your finger to soften it. Next, apply dark purple lip tint onto the inner parts of your lips. And press your lips together. And use your finger to soften them. Last but not least, apply lip gloss onto your lips. And we're done! Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. And if you want to watch more of my videos, please click it right here. I'll post the link in the description box for you guys. Or if you want to follow me on social media, please go right ahead. And I guess I'll see you guys next time. Bye!